So a couple of months ago, I did a video on how to stream music from Spotify directly on your Apple Watch without your phone. Some of you guys have been asking me whether it's possible to play Amazon Music on your Apple Watch without the phone, and the answer is yes, you can. Let's ramble.
Hold up, place go wild when I pull up. They all on me like a one time.
Hey, what's up guys? It's great to see you all again, and if you're new here, I'm Patrick, and this is where I ramble about tech and other stuff. So the Apple Watch has come a long way since the first generation was launched in 2015. It's got a ton of features. I mean, I can even open my door with it. But of course, one of the main use cases for the Apple Watch is fitness. I love using my Apple Watch to keep track of my workouts, especially my runs. I have it hooked up to my Strava account so I can keep track of all my metrics. And I do really like the health rings on the Apple Watch as well, especially since it lets me compete a little bit with my friends, like my man RJ Tech. Our statistics clearly indicate that we take turns in being super lazy. Now, most of us enjoy a bit of music during our workouts. It helps getting you and keeping you in the zone, but nobody enjoys lugging around their phones with them when they go for a run, especially when you're using a large flagship phone like the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's almost impossible to jam it into a running belt, and even if you manage to get it in, it'll just be flopping around your waist. It's just a giant pain in the neck. So it's really great that the Apple Watch offers the functionality to listen to music without your phone. Unfortunately, that doesn't work in the same way for every app. For instance, Apple Music lets you stream music directly from your watch, but it also allows you to download playlists, which is great if you don't own a cell watch or you don't have access to Wi-Fi. Spotify recently added streaming functionality to its app, and like I said in the beginning of this video, I did a separate video on that, so if you want to know how you can stream music from your Spotify directly on your Apple Watch, click the card up here, or even better, wait till the end of the video. I'll link to that video again in the end screen. But Spotify doesn't allow offline listening, so unlike Apple Music, you cannot download Spotify playlists or put them on your watch. Now, in this video, we're talking about Amazon Music, and with Amazon Music, it's the other way around. You can't stream music, but you can download it to your watch. But since Amazon Music doesn't have a dedicated app, we're gonna need a workaround and a bit of third-party software. Just to be clear, I'm not sponsored by anyone. The software I'm using today is just one I found online, but there are other apps doing the exact same thing, and I'm not saying that one is better than the other. This just happens to be the first one I tried, and it does the trick. So I'll take you through the steps of what you need to do to get your songs from your Amazon Music account onto your watch. Alright, so the software I'm using today is called TunePad, and I will show you how it's done using this app, but I would imagine other available apps work in a similar way. So first, you obviously need to download the software, so just go to tunepad.com and download the software. I'm on a Mac, so that's what I'll download, and once it's done, you install the file like you would any other program and open it. When you run the app, it'll ask you to log in to your Amazon Music account, so go ahead and do that. And then you go to Settings and choose the output format. Now, we'll be downloading the songs in our Amazon library as MP3s, so make sure you choose that. And then you can choose the download location. I'll just leave it as is. Once you've done that, you just pick a song or a playlist that you want to get onto your Apple Watch. And for the purpose of this video, let's just pick a single song. It's quicker. Click Convert and let it do its thing. By the way, this software is not free. You can try a couple songs for free, but then if you like it, you're gonna have to buy it. Once it's finished, click Complete. The song is now downloaded as an MP3 file, and you'll find it in the dedicated folder. So now it's on your computer, but you'll need to get it onto your Apple Watch. So the next thing you wanna do is connect your iPhone via USB to your computer and open up iTunes. Go to File, Import, choose the song you just downloaded. It'll show up in your Recently Added tab, so you can check if it worked. And then choose your device, click Sync Settings, go to Music, check your song, hit Apply, and let it sync. Now, to get it onto your watch, you need to connect the watch to your computer using the magnetic charging cable it came with, and make sure Bluetooth is on both devices. Launch the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, go to Music, add music, download it, and there it is. Hit the plus sign and let it download to your Apple Watch. And now, when you go into the Music app on your Apple Watch, it'll be right there. It'll ask you where to play it to, and obviously you'll need to have some Bluetooth buds connected, and presto, you can go for a run and listen to your Amazon Music songs without having to bring your phone. Now, this is obviously very nice, but you need to keep a couple things in mind. Amazon Music is a streaming service based on a subscription, which is personal. So 2 things are really important to remember. 1, you didn't purchase any of the songs individually, so you don't own them. So you can only listen to them on your own devices. And 2, the second you cancel your subscription to Amazon Music, you lose the right to listen to any of these songs. So be careful, because if you no longer have a subscription, you need to delete all the MP3 files as well. If you were to keep those files beyond the subscription, that could technically be considered piracy, which is obviously not what you want. Just something to keep in mind, but as long as you're paying for your subscription, happy listening. I hope this little video was useful to you. If it was, give it one of these. It really does help the channel and it gets the video to more people. And if you like my content, a sub to the channel would be awesome. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.